What if I told you that the richest people don't let most of their money sit in a bank? They know something that millions of people completely miss. Most people believe the safest place for money is a savings account, but inflation quietly reduces its buying power every single year. Imagine saving $10,000. Years later, it's still $10,000, but it buys much less than before. The wealthy think differently. Instead of letting money sleep, they put it to work through investments that have the potential to grow over time. That's why many successful people own stocks, businesses, or real estate. Their money has the chance to earn more money while they focus on other things. But here's the secret. Rich people don't invest every dollar. They always keep an emergency fund in cash for unexpected situations. Everything else is put to work wisely. The goal isn't to avoid banks. The goal is to avoid letting too much money lose value while sitting still. Imagine your money working 24 hours a day, even while you sleep. That's the power of smart, long-term investing. Remember, every investment carries risk. The key is learning, diversifying, and making informed decisions instead of chasing quick riches. Now you know why many wealthy people don't keep all their cash in the bank. If you learned something new, subscribe for more smart money lessons. What's one financial habit you're working on? Tell me in the comments.